Apple is once again shaking up the market with its latest event, and the main focus is on the newest MacBook Pro with the M3 chip. Along with some leaked information, here are a number of things you need to know about the latest MacBook Pro M3. Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss other interesting video updates. Classic design. First and foremost, in terms of design, MacBook Pro M3 still maintains its classic aesthetics. There are no significant physical changes on the outside, although some speculations mention the possibility of a matte black version of the MacBook Pro. Innovations inside. While the exterior design remains conservative, significant changes have occurred inside the MacBook Pro M3. The primary focus is on the M3 chip, which provides high performance to meet the needs of professional users. With two variants, the M3 Pro and M3 Max, Apple aims to provide a superior computing experience. Impressive performance specifications. M3 Pro offers impressive specifications with 14 CPU cores, 8 performance and 6 efficiency, and a 20-core GPU. Interestingly, there is a significant increase in RAM capacity, with leaked variants indicating 36 GB of RAM, showing that Apple is transitioning to a new 12 GB RAM module. This is a significant step to enhance system performance and responsiveness. Maximum performance. For those who need more power, the M3 Max is an attractive option. With RAM up to 48 GB, this chip offers 16 CPU cores, a significant leap from its predecessor. This opens the door to CPU performance almost as fast as the M2 Ultra, which is equivalent to 2 combined M2 Max. Although the graphics see a minor improvement with 40 GPU cores, the improved CPU performance makes the M3 Max an appealing choice for users in need of high computing power. Challenges related to launch theories. One intriguing aspect that divides opinions is the theory regarding the launch of the M3 chip. There are two main theories. First, it's possible that only the M3 Pro and M3 Max chips will be announced at this event, while the regular M3 will be delayed until next year. This theory refers to the potential use of better processes to improve production outcomes and prepare the M3 for consumer devices like the MacBook Air. Potential joint launch of the M3 series. The second scenario involves launching all variants of the M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max at the same time. This could be due to unsatisfactory sales results of the M2 Max series, prompting Apple to switch to the M3 chip earlier than planned to boost sales. In this theory, Apple may be using a new chip design method to enhance their outcomes and profit margins. Conclusion. With all the speculation and leaks circulating, enthusiasm for the MacBook Pro M3 is very high. Users can expect a significant improvement in performance, graphics, and RAM capacity, making it an attractive choice for creative professionals and power users. Although there is still mystery surrounding the launch, one thing is certain: the MacBook Pro M3 will elevate Mac computing to a higher level. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss other interesting video updates from us.